In this video, learn how to extend volume in Windows 11. Click on the Windows icon in the taskbar to open the Start menu. Type Disk Management and click on the Disk Management app that appears in the search results. In the Disk Management console, you will see a list of all the disk drives and their partitions. Right-click on Disk Drive and click Delete Volume from the context menu. Right-click on the volume you want to extend and select Extend Volume from the context menu. This will open the Extend Volume wizard. In the Extend Volume wizard, click Next to proceed. On the next screen, you will see the available space that can be added to the selected. Click Next to continue. That's it. You have successfully extended a volume in Windows 11 using the Disk Management tool.